Welcome to another video in the video series CSEC AutoCAD Technical Drawing for Beginners. Today we're going to be constructing an angle of 60 degrees. So before we start our construction, let's look at some theory with angles. Angle construction, constructing a basic angle of 60 degrees. Let's consider a circle of radius r. Now in a circle there are 360 degrees. So if I was to choose a point on the circumference of the circle where my radius is and use that point as the center of a second circle of radius r, both my circles will now have radius r. So we have two equal circles. Now where my two circles intersect, if I draw lines from the center and continue those lines to the circumference of my original circle, those lines will divide my circle into 6 equal parts. 360 degrees divided by 6 will give each equal part 60 degrees. So this here would be the construction of a 60 degrees. So let's strip away everything else and see how it looks. Alright, so basically my two circles, and this is the 60-degree angle. So I'm going to take away the rest of my circle. And this construction here gives you 60 degrees. Okay, so now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start with, let's get a construction line here. We're going to start with arc, and we're going to be looking for center, start, end. Where I'm going to be use point A as center. And I'm going to open an arc. Now remember our arc draws at anti-clockwise. So I'm going to, let's choose an arc there. Now from this arc, I'm going to draw a second arc. Now this arc was from A to the arc, and then I'm going to go back from the arc to A. And remember this, the arc draws, and I'm going to draw this arc until they intersect. And this point where the two arcs intersect is going to give me my 60-degree line. So I'm going to go back to my visible outline, line tool, and from A to my arc there, where the arcs intersect, that will be 60 degrees. Let's double check. So I'm going to go to angular dimension, select my two angles, and that you see there will be 60 degrees. Just to make my lines look a little bit more even, I'm going to click on my line. You're going to see this is what we call nodes. This here will allow me to lengthen my line there. And so there you have it, angle construction, constructing an angle of 60 degrees. Let's clean it up a bit. We do not need this whole big arc there. We could go back to the same lengthen, and in this case here, by clicking lengthen, you could also use that to shorten an arc. So there you have your constructing angles at 60 degrees. Thank you for watching another video in the series CAD CXC Technical Drawing for Beginners.